You have got to come to DUQ Days.
You get to discover our unique qualities here at Duquesne.
It is a total day of unlimited questions.
And learn about how you can be prepared for anything by developing useful qualifications.
Let's keep this going.
You can figure out how to determine your unbounded quest.
You could even hang out long enough to devour unlimited quesadillas.
We might be done here.
Come to DUQ Days. They're fun, you learn a lot, you get to have the vibe. You're near downtown under, is there a Q word for blue skies?
Come out to a DUQ day, a day of unlimited questions where you can discover our unique qualities.